Goodness, would you just knock it off? Goodness. Okay, you're gonna be a good helper. You're gonna be a good helper. Yes, you are. Okay, so we have a multitude of customers that own multiple machines. A lot of our machines have a Kohler engine, and of recent years, we've started using a Vanguard or a Briggs & Stratton engine. The engines are interchangeable, but there are some components that are not interchangeable. One of those things is the ignition switch. They look exactly the same at first glance. And we've had guys that will try to install a Kohler ignition switch on a Vanguard engine or vice versa. So let's talk about that a little bit. So the Vanguard engine has a little bit larger mounting diameter than the Kohler. You will use the same key. They will both plug into the same plug. The difference is between the two. If you can notice here, we have the 5-pin layout and then a ground. We have the 5-pin layout and the ground. They will both plug into the exact same plug that plugs on there. But if you'll look closely, the pin function between the two switches are not the same. If you look at the layout of the diagram here, then these are not the same. So if you plug one of these switches into the wrong one, it's a very good chance you're going to short the ignition coils out and short them out and destroy them. Or you're going to put 12 volts to them and blow them out that way. So whenever you're doing this, just notice whatever it is you're taking off, or if you call into us looking for an ignition switch, that's why we ask for the serial number of the machine, and that's going to help us locate the type of engine that's on it and make sure we send you the right parts.